This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Faith E. Michael, Realtor, ABR, our CERT. Charming West Glen pool home perfectly embodies the Florida lifestyle. Featuring an open floor plan and soaring ceilings, this inviting space showcases stunning wood pillars and a generous quartz island. The modern kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances, luxury vinyl plank flooring, and decor inspired by Joanna Gaines' timeless style. With 4 spacious bedrooms, this home comfortably accommodates up to 10 guests, making it ideal for entertaining family and friends. The elegant primary suite boasts an ensuite bathroom complete with a relaxing garden tub, a step-in shower, double sinks, and stylish vanities adorned with gleaming subway tile. Step outside to the screened lanai, which overlooks the heated pool and spa set within a fully fenced, private backyard, perfect for unwinding in your own oasis. This home is being offered tastefully furnished, including all decorations, linens, towels, kitchen accessories, and pool toys, allowing you to simply pack your suitcase and move right in. Residents of West Glen enjoy access to a lovely park, lawn irrigation using reclaimed water, and an exceptional location close to Bayshore High School, UCF, IMG Academy, shopping, dining, sporting events, and, of course, the stunning white sand beaches that define this area. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith E. Michael, Realtor, ABR, our CERT at 941-356-8862.